1. Download and install WinSCP. If you haven't already, grab WinSCP from the official site. 2. Launch WinSCP. Open it up and select New Site. 3. Enter server details. Protocol SFTP or FTP if required. Hostname, your server's IP or domain. Port 22, default for SFTP, or 21 according to host specifications. Username and password, your server creds. 4. Connect. Hit Login and accept the certificate if prompted. 5. Upload files. Drag and drop files from local, left, to remote, right, pane. Or use the Upload button. Tips. Make sure you have permissions to upload to the target directory. Use Synchronize for mirroring local and remote folders. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment and subscribe.